Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how do you change phone number on your Wise. So firstly, log into your Wise account. So once I've logged into your account, what I have to do on your top right here on your home page, you will see your name. So click on your name. So under your name, you'll see an option called Your Details. So click on Your Details. Once you click on it, you'll see an option called here Edit Details. So click on Edit Details on your right, and it's going to ask you for your password for confirmation. So type in your password, and once you have done with that, here you'll see an option. You'll see your phone number here, but you can see that you won't be able to change it. It's grayed out. So what you have to do is you have to click here. There's an option here say click here to change your phone number. So click on it. So once you click on it, what happens is Wise will send an instruction to change your email address to your registered Gmail. So what you have to do now is open your email. So once you open your email, you'll find the email from Wise here with instructions to change your phone number. So open it. So once you open that here, so what you have to do now is there will be a link here to change your phone number. You just have to click on it. So once you click on it, all right, just 1 second. Uh, should be this one. Yep. All right, so just click on it. So once you change, so what happens here, you just have to proceed with the instructions here. You just need your ID handy with you, because it's going to ask you for your ID for verification, and a selfie which you can use your phone to take with it, and then your new phone number. So once you have all these information ready, just click on continue, and all you have to do is upload a selfie. All right, upload a selfie with your ID on your hand. So once you have done that, and the next option, then click continue again, and then you'll be asked to enter your new phone number. Then click on that, and then click on save, and that's it. So once you have done with all those procedures, then your phone number will be changed. So that's how it is done. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.